Hello everyone, this is Mahir Kumar Khadra. So in this presentation, we are going to discuss about shareholders debrief presentation. So we will discuss about whatever we take decision during the caption rounds. So let's get started. Let's get started. So during the caption, our primary focus was on differentiation across multiple segments, including traditional, low-end, high-end, performance, and size. By tailoring our offering, we were able to meet distinct needs of each market segment effectively. So during the capsim, there's a traditional segment. We maintained a smaller present to ensure market coverage uh, without over restriction resources, and also for the low end segment, we achieved a respectable market share. The thought not leading demonstrating consistency performance. High end For the high end, our performance here was moderate, with an emphasis on quality to attract premium customers. Same as for performance, this was a key strength for us, particularly with our product uh, where we capture a strong market share. And for the size segment, while we were present in the segment, our focus was less dominant, allowing us to maintain relevance. So about regional focus, we entered market that were aligned with our product potential, ensuring optimal resources utilization. We avoided regional with low demand for intense competition, thereby focusing on area where we could maximize our impact. So about strategic alignment, our research and development along with the market efforts were particularly concentrated in the performance and size segment, ensuring innovation and targeted our outreach that drove our success in this area. This strategic focus enable us to balance our market presence across segment and region, leading to sustainable growth and competitive positioning. Uh, Overall, during regarding these strategies, we can identify ourselves that we our almost 70% decision about the caption likely true. So going forward, we were trying to strengthen key segments like we bolster our focus on the performance and size segment while reconsidering our approach to the low end and high end segment. Uh, Also, we were targeting new regions. So during that, we entered regions with rising demand for high performance and high quality products, aligning with our strengths. Um the next one is exiting low return region. So to better allocation resource, we had some decision to exit from regions with low returns and redirect efforts to more promising market. Then we focus on re-evaluating. So we prioritized a stronger focus on performance and R&D to continue delivering super products. So we can make more profits and maintain our market share in the segment. So during the 8 round of capsin, our segment tactics for traditional, we took some actions to maintain a presence, but we did not dominance the segment. So according to the our actions, we find some effective results. The performance was average compared to the stronger competitors. So during the our last round, our top three key competitors were Baldwin, Chester, and Airy. So for the low end segment, our action was we employed moderate investment in pricing, as well as we improved some customer satisfaction. So we can sell more products, and we made more profits. And according to the our actions, we had a presence, but we were outperforming by competitors. So in the initial rounds of caption, we were dominant in this segment, but during the time and after some rounds, our competitors get more market share during in the high segment. So at the end of the capsim, our top three competitors were Baldwin, Chester, and Airy.
Hello, my name is Harshit Barsala, and I'm gonna represent high-end segment. In high-end segment, we focused on maintaining high standard, but faced still competition because there were like majority of two industry who cover more all the segment, all the share of high-end, Baldwin and Ferris, and our effectiveness is market share was limited because sometimes it's decrease and sometimes it increases during last 8 rounds. So at the end, top competitor was Baldwin, and Ferris was second and third number. Moreover, next is performance. In the performance, we retired our product, performance segment product, because of minimize our loss in the last year, and it was like effective because we closed last year with 36 million dollars, something like that, and also we closed it with like higher cash balance. Our cash balance was higher than the last 7 rounds. So I would say that it was like our our main action in the last round. And also the top competitor was not only Baldwin but Ferris, who covered most of share of performance segment. In the size segment, we use balance strategy to focus on performance and size, in which it was effective. We had, I would say that we had a competitive presence in the segment during first 4 to 5 round, but later we had also retired this product like the previous one, and at the last round, means in the round number 8, Ferris was the top competitor in this segment, and Baldwin was the second one. So I would say that Ferris covered most of majority of portion from the size segment.
Okay, so now we move on to the strategic focus for the next 3 to 5 rounds. Our main objective is to strengthen our position in the performance and size segments simultaneously, which we have shown a significant potential for growth. In order to achieve this, we are planning to enhance our existing product lines and potentially introduce the new products to the market needs. The performance segment has been very standout for us, and it has driven our ability to deliver the high quality products with the consumer requirements. Similarly, talking about size segment, it has also shown a good promise, and we believe that there is a more room to capitalize the momentum. Market expansion is another critical area. We are planning to evaluate the current regions, identifying which one will return high yields and which one will low. On the other hand, we will explore new markets with a high demand for premium products, which will ensure the expansion in both strategic and sustainable manner. So, talking about the operational side, increasing our production capacity in a high demand sector like performance is very important. And additionally, embracing the automation, like increasing the automation will also help us in reducing the cost, improving margins, and making our operations more efficient and better. At present, our capacity stands at 2,700 units, or I can say 2,700 units, and we are planning to maximize this unit at the most possible level in order to meet the existing and the growing demand. Additionally, if we talk about finance, we will maintain a very cautious approach because managing a long term will be effective key to a sustainable growth only. If we are not managing a long term debt or finance issue occurs or financial mishaps occurs, it's gonna create a problem for our company itself. So instead of paying dividend, we are planning to reinvest the profits into the research and development, marketing, and ensure that we will continue to innovate and attract the new customers. These are certain steps that are designed to ensure that we are currently in a better position, and also we stay ahead of the curve and capture the opportunities that are ahead in the future. So now if we talk about the teamwork and the processes that played a very vital role in our success, I would like to say that our decision-making methods or process was a mixture of collaboration and data-driven strategies. By putting the collaborative expert of our team, we were able to navigate some of the dynamic aspects of the team, or we can say the market, and inform decisions that particularly aligns with our goals. And throughout this process, sticking to a team charter was very pretty clear and simple fact. The charter provided extremely a clear and precise framework for our actions and decisions, which ensured that remaining things should be focused also, but the major objective should be clear, and it was of adapting to the changing conditions. Based on our performance as of now across all the segments, it is evident that we have stick to the charter, and I would like to rate our alignment 8 out of 10. And the collaborative approach, talking about the collaborative approach, it has been vital source in optimizing our performance. And as we move forward in the rounds, or as I can say, as we move forward in the market, we will continue to prioritize teamwork, team efforts, and team achievements, team decision making, and recognizing the elements that are very crucial to achieve a sustainable growth in the market.
So let's take a look at our key learnings, which is our main goals, where to capture the market share, to maximize the profitability, and to maintain the high product standards. We plan to excel in the performance segment, and but to have a room to improve the profitability and the market share in the low end and high end segment. So our forecast our focus is to sales were solid. So as we look at the round 8 forecast, sales are really very solid, but especially in the traditional and low end segment, and our company valued more valued is more improved, particularly in the performance and size segment. But there's a room, I still believe there is a room in other areas to grow. So I'm hoping that we will focus is at to the point, and we have room to grow more in the future. So as we go through our investment strategy, so many questions arise like why to invest in us. So I want to answer that with our investors should consider us due to our strength in the performance segment and the potential in the size segment, with a strategic adjustment which we aim to improve the profitability and continue to grow in the promising areas. So here I'm going to sum it up by saying thank you so much for your attention, and we are excited about the future and will look forward to continuing our success with our support. Thank you so much.